Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find remote jobs on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to glassdoor.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This gives you full access to all the job search features and personalized recommendations that Glassdoor has to offer. After logging in, look at the top of the page and click on Jobs. This takes you to Glassdoor's main job search interface where you can start filtering through thousands of available positions. It's your central hub for discovering new opportunities that match your skills and preferences. Now click the search bar at the top and enter the job title or role you're looking for. This could be anything from a specific position to a general field you're interested in. Being clear with your search terms here helps narrow down the results to positions that are actually relevant to your career goals. Right beside the search bar, you'll see another field where you can enter your location preferences. Type in your city, state, or zip code. Even though we're searching for remote positions, this helps Glassdoor show you jobs that might prefer candidates in certain regions or time zones. Next, click Remote Only. This is a crucial filter because it instantly eliminates all the in-office and hybrid positions, leaving you with only fully remote opportunities. It saves you tons of time by ensuring every result matches your work-from-home requirements. Right beside that option, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the company rating, click on it, and choose your preferred rating threshold. This feature is incredibly useful because it helps you filter out companies with poor employee reviews, ensuring you're applying to workplaces that actually value their team members. Moving forward, click the drop-down menu right beside it to select the date posted. You can choose options like last 24 hours, last week, or last month. This ensures you're seeing fresh job listings instead of positions that have already been filled or are no longer actively recruiting. Additionally, if you want to check for a specific salary range, click the drop-down menu right beside it. Enter your desired salary range and then click Apply. This filter helps you focus on positions that meet your financial expectations right from the start, so you're not wasting time on opportunities that don't align with your compensation goals. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see all the remote jobs that match your criteria. These are organized in a list format that makes it easy to browse through multiple opportunities quickly. Each listing shows key details like the company name, job title, and location status. If you find a job listing that looks interesting, click on it to review the full details. You'll be able to see the complete job description, salary information when available, company reviews from current and former employees, and benefits packages. This comprehensive view helps you make informed decisions about which positions are worth applying to. And that's it. You've now filtered Glassdoor to show only remote jobs that match your preferences, making your job search much more efficient and targeted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.